If you are watching this video, you probably had hernia mesh repair surgery and suffered serious and unexpected complications. You've come to the right place. My law firm represents victims in just this situation, and we help people throughout the United States. I talk with hernia mesh patients every day who call me in agony. They're nauseated, they're constipated, they have no energy, they can't sleep, and they're in constant pain. Often these are symptoms of severe internal injuries, infection, migration or movement of the hernia mesh away from where it was supposed to be stationed, obstruction of the bowels, perforation of and damage to vital organs. It's a dangerous situation and often requires revision surgery to remove or repair the defective hernia mesh device. Why is this happening? We believe it's because a handful of manufacturers have rushed to market with hernia mesh products that were never properly tested on humans and that are made of materials toxic and dangerous to the human body. The bottom line is these companies have made billions of dollars on medical devices that never should have been placed in human beings. Our firm is currently filing lawsuits on behalf of victims and against these manufacturers. Now, people ask me, who qualifies to be a plaintiff in these lawsuits? I can tell you that our law firm is currently taking cases that meet the following 4 criteria. Number 1, the patient had a composite mesh device implanted after 2009. 2, the person suffered serious complications of the sort I described. 3, the person has had or will have revision surgery to correct the failed mesh implant. Now let me qualify this, that we are taking some cases where there is no revision surgery, but we do believe that the biggest settlements in this litigation will be for people who have had revision surgery. And number 4, the case needs to be within the statute of limitations. This is the legal term for the deadline in which to file a claim. The deadline varies by state, but it's generally 1 to 5 years from the date of the revision surgery. People also ask me, how much do we charge? What are the attorney fees to file a lawsuit on your behalf? The answer is that we charge you nothing out of pocket. We get paid out of the settlement proceeds at the end of the day. If you're the victim of a defective hernia mesh device, we invite you to call us here at the Shouse Law Group. We understand that no monetary settlement is going to undo your pain and suffering, but we will fight to get you the money you need to help rebuild your life and to hold these manufacturers accountable.